Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus blocktails, only way. Start by draining canned chickpeas well and reserve liquid, then mash chickpeas with tahini, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and a splash of olive oil until smooth. Adjust texture with reserved liquid until firm but spreadable, shape into blocks, chill to set, and slice neatly for serving. Serve with warm pita, sliced veggies, or as a savory toast topping for quick meals. Making hummus blocktails is simple and satisfying when you use fresh ingredients and a clear process. Use firm chickpeas, quality tahini, bright lemon, and whole garlic cloves for depth. Pulse in a food processor, taste often, and aim for a texture that holds shape but spreads slightly. Press into a mold, smooth the top, and chill several hours so slices stay neat. Finish with olive oil and paprika for visual appeal. In this ad break, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and voice control, perfect for kitchen timers while you prep hummus blocks. Check the description below for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Troubleshooting hummus blocks focuses on texture, flavor, and presentation. If mixture is too dry, add reserved chickpea liquid or a teaspoon of water. If too loose, add more tahini or chickpeas. Balance lemon and salt early and adjust after chilling since flavors mellow. For clean slices, use a sharp knife warmed in hot water and wipe between cuts. Store wrapped in the fridge up to 5 days and refresh with a drizzle of olive oil before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.